There you go.
Oh yeah, Anthony.
Oh, you got that.
Yeah, I totally got that. Of course I got that. Oh yeah, Kelly, look at his dance moves. That was just a fail.
Wait.
Fail.
Shut up! Does that record sound?
Yeah.
I don't know why.
That is a fail of a
It
moonwalk.
doesn't really add the effect. It doesn't make it like look any better. Like I don't see what it does. It doesn't do anything. I'm just like, I was just practicing.
I have like hours of video time on this
Practicing
thing.
last night. Like I'm like.
Look at that. You should go on So You Think You Can Dance.
I'm not there yet.
Oh my god, you should. You should. I'm doing American Idol.
You are?
You are?
Yeah.
You're 18?
You can be 16 and do it. I'm doing it next year though, so I can get my singing teacher back. 'Cause